Welcome everyone back to another video on this channel. This time we talk about the Apple Watch and more specifically, how you can change the exercise goal on the watch. This is really cool because you don't even need to change anything on the iPhone and everything can be directly managed from the watch itself. So you need to start by locating the fitness app on your watch. It's the one with the circles. So open it up. The first page is just the summary for the day. So scroll down. The next page is the red circle for calories, and the next circle is the green one, which is for the exercise. And in the bottom right corner, you can see the plus and minus button, so you can tap on it. Now, two options are going to pop up, either changing it for this day only, or you can also change it for each day. The exercise ring is measured in minutes, so you can bump it up or lower it down as much as you like. If you're interested in changing the calorie goal or the stand goal, then the process is quite literally the same. You just need to swipe up a bit and tap the plus minus button again. So that's how you can change the exercise goal on the watch. As I said, pretty simple. So make sure to follow the steps. If you, however, were interested in the individual workout goals, which can also be tweaked, please check out the link in the description where I covered extensively how it works and how you can change it. Thank you for watching.